Hi guys, this is Ryan Blair at Halo Inc. and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a CNC file which will be a print and cut in Illustrator for use with our Shop Sabre and OptiScout. So the first thing that you're going to do is in Illustrator you're going to create three layers, and they're going to be named print, cut, and reg marks for registration marks. And let me zoom out here. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn on our print. So this is what we're going to be printing, and it's going to be printed on ACM. And I'll show you what the cut file looks like, and then what the registration marks look like. And now these registration marks have to be a 1/4 inch black circles, and there has to be a minimum of 3 of them randomly placed outside of the print. So all together it's going to look like that. And what you end up printing is you're going to print just the registration marks and the print, and then you take this file and you bring it over to the Shop Sabre and it will do the rest. And that's how you set up a print cut on the CNC.